I'm going to fill you in on my dream project framework for landing major league clients. I'm Stephanie Owens, co-owner of Gold Sheep Design and copywriter here at the Futur. And here's how my studio has booked dream projects without being Insta-famous or a thought leader. Step 1, make it. The proof is in your portfolio, and it's time for you to take control of it. That means putting in the work and creating the projects you want to be hired for before you have the clients. Do you really want that cheapo job for that train wreck of a client to determine the destiny of all projects to come? Because here's the thing, if clients and art directors don't see the work they need in your portfolio, you're a risk. This means digging deep and figuring out the exact type of work you want to be hired for and doing the dang work for yourself. And in my studio, we're all about music, mysteries, and pop culture. There isn't a page on our site that doesn't highlight that. Step 2, market it. Get your work out there. And I'm talking a mixture of SEO, social media, and good old-fashioned outreach. Yes, outreach. Stop relying on an algorithm and get your work out there already. Create a daily, weekly, and monthly schedule to keep you on track with both inbound and outbound marketing efforts. Step 3, monetize it. Because there's more to making a living from your craft than client work alone. Heck, wouldn't it be nice if we could get rid of clients altogether? Except the Futur. I love working at the Futur. There's art licensing, teaching, publishing, digital products, physical goods, but the trick is to pick one at a time to give your full attention to and add more as you go. That's it. Want to learn more about my 3-step method to landing dream projects? Check out my Dream Project Workshop at the link in the description, where I go deep into my Make It, Market, Monetize It framework. Hope to see you there.